Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a massive thrift haul for kids. So I went to my local thrift store is called Value Village. I don't know if those are all over the place. I know they're in Canada, but I don't know if they're in the States or not. But they were having a 50% off sale on most things in the store. So I got a lot of clothes. And I only spent $75. So I ended up getting 3 things for myself, but I got like a ton of stuff for my son. And I got the size that he's wearing now because he needed some stuff. And then I also got the next size up. So like I said, everything was super cheap. I'm just going to keep this video really casual, and I'm going to show you what I ended up getting. I will say, before I decided to film this video, I had gone through and sorted out all of the clothes, the size that he's in now, as well as the size up. And I had sorted through and I washed all of the stuff that he's going to be wearing now because I didn't figure I was going to do a video on this. And then I kind of thought, well, that's a good idea. I should do a haul. So I took the tags off of the stuff that he's going to be wearing now. So half of the stuff I'll have the price tags on and half I won't. So I'll be able to tell you exactly what I spent on it. But we'll do the stuff with the price tags first. And pretty much like they're all similar, like t-shirts are pretty much this one price sort of thing. So we can kind of like guess as we go what the other stuff was. But altogether I ended up spending $75 and I got a ton of stuff. So let's just get right on into it. All right, so the first thing that I got was this little camel hoodie. It is so cute. I just love camo on little boys. I just think it's absolutely adorable. So this was regularly $2.99. I got it for $1.50. It's in great condition. Next thing I got was this little pullover, and it's got Mickey Mouse on it. It says Walt Disney World on the back. Once again, everything that I got is in great condition, like new. It's crazy. Regular $4.49. Got it for $2.25. And another pullover, and this one was $1.99. I got it for $1. Like, that's insane. $1. Crazy. I love clothes on little kids that like make them look like adults. I just think it's the cutest thing ever. Like a little pullover on a 2-year-old. I can't. So cute. Then I got this Superman t-shirt. He had one when he was inside 18 months. He had one of these shirts and I thought it was the cutest thing ever. So I found this in a 4T, so I grabbed it for him. Regular $3.99, and so I got it for $2. And then this little Ninja Turtle shirt. My boyfriend loves Ninja Turtles. He was an 80s child growing up, so he loved the Ninja Turtles growing up. So anytime I see something Ninja Turtles, I get it for my son too. It's just because it's kind of cute. $1.99. I got it for 99 cents. Then I got these cute little blue. They're like a navy blue kind of cargo short. Regular $2.49. I got it for $1.25. And then a little polo shirt, regular $1.49. This was 75 cents, and it's like brand new. Crazy. And another polo shirt, this one was regularly $3.49, so I got it for $1.75. Then I just got some splash pants for the spring and the fall, regular $2.49, so $1.75. Like, the thing is, when you're shopping for kids, I mean, if you have children in your lives, you understand how expensive kids' clothing is, and it's insane. Like, for a t-shirt or something, you would pay the same price as something for an adult. It's crazy if you buy it new. So I like to buy a lot of his clothes from the thrift store because he grows out of it so fast, and they're in great condition. You get stuff that's like brand new for so cheap. This was $2.49. I got it for $1.75. I need to like make sure I'm doing my math right here. Y'all are going to be calling me out in the comments. Then I got a Batman t-shirt for the days when his Superman shirt is dirty. He can be Batman instead. And this one is regular $4. I got it for $2. These shorts still have the tags on them. They are brand new. Regular $4.49. Got it for $2.25. Brand new jean shorts. Then I got this adorable little Oshkosh sweater, little hoodie. Regular $4.49, so I got it for $2.25, and I just love those two colors together, the bright blue and the bright yellow. My son has really bright blue eyes, so I love putting him in blue and like teal and stuff like that because it really makes his eyes pop. I got these cute little swim trunks that have the Ninja Turtles on them. And what's really cute about this is that my boyfriend has Ninja Turtle swim trunks too. So when I saw these, I had to get them. Regular $2.49. So I got them for $1.25. And then looking ahead into the holidays, I got these pajamas. They say Santa's Little Helper on them. And then they have the little Santas on the booties. And it's a fleece, regular $3.99. So I got it for $2. And getting back into the pullovers, this one looks a little bit big. This will probably be more of a 5T. But this one is regular $1.49. I got it for 75 cents. And then I got these jean shorts for $4.49. And funny story about this, I got these exact same shorts for him last year that he wore. They were a size 2T. And I bought them directly from Carter's, and they were $20 brand new. So like, I got them for $2.25, and they're in just as great condition. Probably one kid wore it one season. It's crazy. I can't get over it. And then the last thing that I bought, this was on the upper size. So these are all size 4T, and my son right now is just starting to get into a 3T. So this is the last item that I got, which was this pair of black jeans, regular $2.49. So I got them for $1.25. Now we're going to move into the stuff that he's going to be wearing now. And like I told you earlier, I ended up taking the price tags off this stuff. But as you can imagine, they're all like similar pricing to all this stuff. So it's pretty cheap. I got this pair of pajamas, and this was probably the most well-used article of clothing that I got. Like, you can kind of see a little bit of pilling on them, but I just thought that they were so cute. And I think that they actually only cost me 75 cents. Like I said, I can't remember for sure, but I'm pretty sure that they were only 75 cents. So that's why I picked them up. It says Dino Snore on it. And then we have another little polo shirt, a mint green one. So this will really bring out his eyes as well. And then I've got a stripy one. It's a navy blue with a mint green stripe. Now this item was insane to me. I remember this one because it was only 50 cents. I ended up paying 50 cents for this. It's this adorable little army green hoodie, and the inside of the hood has the camo print. I just love camo on little guys. It's so cute. My son's really been getting into Paw Patrol lately, so we found a Paw Patrol long sleeve shirt. And then I got these little jeans. They're really stretchy, and they look like really comfy, a little bit worn in. They look really comfy. They're gonna be a little long on him though, that's for sure. My son has really short legs, so he's got a longer torso and then shorter legs. This was the most expensive item that I got, and this jacket is like brand new. So it's like a spring summer jacket, and it was regular $8, and I got it for $4. I remember that one. And that's the most expensive item that I purchased. Got these little black shorts with this neon green detailing on the zipper. Little pockets in there for him. You can carry his trucks in there. And just this basic long sleeve t-shirt, blue. And back to the Ninja Turtles again, a little summer tank top. And we have another Paw Patrol item, little red t-shirt. So the t-shirts I think were almost all $1.25. And then we've got this really nice warm hoodie. It's like this really warm material on the inside. So it's very nice and warm. Almost could double like as a jacket. But the sleeves are aren't quite as warm for some reason. And then I got these camo shorts, camo cargo shorts. And then this basic tee with the little pocket detailing on the front in the yellow and the blue. I thought that was super cute. I really like yellow and blue together. It's not really a combination I would really think of, but it works. And these jeans I thought were so cute. I don't know if they were meant to be like that or if some kid just like wore these out, but I think they look so cute with the little rips in the knees. This hoodie is like brand new, and I have one for him in black already that I bought from Walmart new, and this one is the gray one, and I think this one was $1.50 or $1.25 as well. And then I got this adorable shirt. It says Choo Choo. He's really into trains right now, so I thought that was cute. And then another long sleeve shirt that has a train on it. I really hope you guys can see this stuff. I film on my phone, so I can't see myself, so hopefully I'm not like holding it like somewhere where you can't see. And then the last t-shirt is this other little army green camo print with a little pocket on the front, gray and camo. Once again, I love my camo. And the last item that I picked up were these little jeans. I think these ones were $1.25. So I got some really great deals. So like I said, I don't know if you guys have Value Village in your area, but I know that there's like a mailing list that you can get on where they will send you an email every time they're having one of these sales, and I think they do it once a month. So definitely get yourself on that list so that you can get a lot of clothes for cheap, because kids grow out of clothes way too fast. It's insane. So save your money while you can. Anyways, you guys, thanks so much for hanging out with me today and checking out my haul. Let me know in the comments down below what your favorite thrift store is to shop at. I hope you're having an awesome day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.